I didn't reinvent food. I think I reinvented how food is made on the food truck. Well, it started, way back. I lived in Fort Lauderdale, and I met a very famous person who owned a restaurant. Matter of fact, a chain of restaurants by the name of Dave Thomas. And he gave me the idea. He said, "Hey, man, invest in food." I'd say less than 15 years later, I bought my own food truck and started this. Coming from the trade prior to this, which was I was an automotive technician for most of my life, and being a technician, having a food truck is a big plus. Give you an example. Last week, one of the big freezers went down. Started to make a crazy type of noise. Couldn't figure it out. Come to find out, the fan was bad. Immediately, I ordered the fan, replaced it. Freezer's working fine.
Yeah, it's very tight inside. It's like we can't hire any new employee because you have to be close to each other. And when it's really busy, you got bump into each other. Excuse me, I'm right behind you. Be careful. It's hot coming. It's not easy. We prep everything in advance. Like Thursday, it's the last day to get everything done. And Friday, we set up, get everything easy to reach when you're ready, because on Saturday, you won't have time to do anything else. Because they don't give you time. It's like once you got one customer and the other one coming next, I want this, I want that. And they don't even give you time to prep for the first one, to get the food ready for the first one. So you have to get all the patties, all the juices, everything, the plates, the cups, the lids, everything. Because once Saturday start coming, it's nonstop.
The hot dog. Why is my hot dog different? Why do I call it hot dog? Why is it different? Because my hot dog has a three-step process. We remove the salt and two other secrets I'd rather not get into, the type of bread that we use. I didn't reinvent food. I think I reinvented how food is made on the food truck. I can't think of anything that I could say that is the best dish. Everything on this food truck tastes good. Again, the customer says that. Most of it all, use quality stuff, guys. Come on, don't go out, and get some kind of, because it's cheaper, you think you're gonna, you're gonna, cook it and feed it to people and make money. People know quality stuff. What Grab and Go should be known and remembered for is its quality, integrity, and the time, again, that we put into the food and good taste. If we have the music going, for instance, some good music, like a good mariachi, right around 12 o'clock, and the person says, "Can I get an Italian sausage?" I roast the bread, put the stuff in there, onions and everything else. When that person takes that first bite, you can tell from the customer's reaction, this is good food. The reason why most food trucks don't make it is just a bad cook. Period. You're not cooking right. Yeah, they'll stop by on a fly. Can I get a sandwich? And they won't come back. Our customers come back because we are here at this spot every Saturday and Sunday, which is 4603 West Colonial Drive at the flea market.